they can just get access the content. Okay guys, so that's the purpose. So there is a pure live session guys. Okay, live session I am updating into the YouTube guys. Okay, so this is my YouTube channels. You can see here, you can find all the tutorials guys related to the Django. Okay, I have explained Pythons also to them, but I did not record the video for Python guys. Okay, so there you will find the one playlist called Django project guys. Okay,
Hello
so
guys,
there
good
you will
evening.
be seeing
Welcome
all
back
those
again
things
in
guys.
this
See,
session. In this session,
you
guys,
will
we are
find
going to
all the
see
tutorials
the how.
from here, like tutorials point by point, like session number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can see guys, today is session number 14 is guys. Okay, tutorials 14. So in these sessions guys, I am going to explain you, guys uh, how you can work with Django forms, like model based forms guys. Okay, let me open here something. We have one notes guys. Okay, we are maintaining the notes here. Let me see. Okay, so today, what is date guys? Today date is 29. Okay, in last video guys, I have clearly explained you about the CRUD operation guys. Okay, how you can work in all those things. Okay, today date is 29. Okay, 29. Okay, so we have already worked with in Django guys. We have two types of form. Let me increase the font size guys, so you guys will fit good. Okay, in Django we can create two-way form. Okay, one is guys Django normal forms, then Django model based form. Okay, already we have seen guys Django normal forms. If you guys remember guys, till now whatever we are working, that was Django normal forms guys. Okay, let's see, let me explain you. Our last project was guys fourth project. Okay, project name itself was fourth guys. Okay, so here we can see inside the forms, this is the way, is like Django normal forms. Okay guys, see, let me explain you one things guys. This is your models.py file. Okay, let's see the difference here. Okay, models.py file guys. Okay, this is your models.py file here. So now in the Django normal forms guys, again we are defining the forms here this way. Did you understand guys? This way we are defining the forms in Django normal forms. Okay, so what we are doing guys, okay, let me, okay, it's fine, right? Okay, fine, only let me, okay, in Django normal forms we are defining this way only guys. Understand, means same things. Can you see here, whatever things is writing here, same code we are repeating here also guys. If you see it, we are repeating this code again guys. Okay, so we don't have to repeat. Directly we can define the models guys here. Okay, we can define the models, and directly we can use all the fields here guys. Okay, we don't have to define again same fields. Let's assume in these models there is 100 fields guys. Okay, like there is a lot of fields. Let's assume there is a lot of fields, not only this much, there is again extra fields guys. Okay, so again you have to come and define all the fields here, means repeated work. Did you understand guys? Repeatedly work is coming here. Hope you understand guys. Same work we are repeatingly here, so no need also. And then same way you can observe here guys. Okay, did you understand the difference guys? This is like Django normal form, and now we are going to work with Django model based forms. Okay guys, so our work will be more easy now. Okay, our work will be more easy. Already we define here models, Again, we don't have to create the forms manually, this all the fields. Okay, just we can reuse the all the fields, whatever fields you need. Okay, okay guys. So to working with Django model based forms, guys, we need to have models, guys, for that forms. Okay, so now what I will do, guys, I will create one project separately. There I will work with that, guys. Okay, there I will work with Django model based forms. Okay, guys. So let me create separate project. So what is the syntax here, guys? In Django normal forms, what we are doing, guys? What is the syntax here? Class, then Django normal form, then forms.form, then colon, then space, then space. What was the fi fields one is equal to forms.cad fields. Okay, what was the syntax, guys? Okay, we can writing this way. Okay, this way. Okay, this way we are writing, guys. Okay, field one, field two, field three, no, field four. Okay, but here, guys, in Django model based forms, guys, what we will do, then we are importing the forms, guys. Okay, from the Django import forms. Understand, guys? We are importing this way. We are importing the forms. Okay. Same way here also we will import same way only, guys. Okay. From Django dot import form. Okay. Now here, like we have to create the Django forms, right? Class Django model based form. Okay. Now forms dot model form. Understand, guys? This name will be your any name, guys. Okay, like your table name, your model's name. Okay, this is the syntax, guys. Remember, only this is the different, guys. Okay, like forms, there is s. Okay, forms.form, like Django normal forms. Okay, this is the child class of forms.form, and this is the, guys, forms.modelForm. Understand, guys? Then colon here. Okay, then space class meta. Don't worry about this meta. This is syntax, guys. Okay, don't worry about the meta. Okay, now here model means which models, guys. Okay, models means which models you want to create the Django model based forms, guys. Okay, maybe let's assume your models is like a student model, guys. Okay, a student model. Okay, so we can add it here, a student. This is the syntax, guys. Okay, now this student is available here, guys. Here is available this student. Let's assume so. This is available means from. Let's assume there is one app called test app. Okay, from test app import test app dot models import a student, import a student. Understand, guys? Now from which field do you want, guys? What are the fields you want for the forms? Like then fields is equal to fields equal to on this one underscore all. That means, guys, whatever fields is there in your Django models, in Django, guys, what is the fields is there, all fields will display. Let's assume now this is your fields. Okay, till here. Okay, this is your means not this one. What was the get till email, right? This is the fields here, guys. Okay, so that means it will display the your all the fields into the end user, guys. Okay, all means, okay, understand, guys? To display all the fields of the models. Understand, guys? From these models it will display all the fields. Okay, now next, if your requirement will come, I want only few fields, guys. Okay, that also I will explain you how you will do. So let's work with this operation, guys. Okay, first now. Okay, so I will create separate project, guys. Okay, for this one, let me create separate project now here. Let's go fast track, guys. Okay, let's go fast track now. I don't focus about the designing part, guys. Okay, I will not focus about the designing part. Okay, let's focus on the project here. Let's see. Remember, guys, and focus once again. I am going to do all the process end to end, guys. Okay, so Django. If anyone has doubt, just understand from here, guys. Okay, Django hyphen admin start project name like let's see day 5, guys. Okay, I will take day 5 here. Okay, day 5. Okay, this is my project name, guys. Okay, means okay, I want not day 5, like Django hyphen admin start project pro 5. Okay, guys, pro 5, so it will be easy, right? Okay, there is some spelling mistake, guys. Okay, project. Okay, I want pro 5. Let's go inside now. cd pro 5. Now I want one application, guys. Okay, python -py start app test app. Okay, I will do fast track, guys. Okay, now I will run this project python -py run server. Okay, I will run this pack. Project is running now. Same times come here, leave this page, guys. Okay, there is no any URLs. See, project is running now. Okay, next step, what is that, guys? Our next step is that, so let me delete this day 5, guys. Okay, day 5 we don't need here at all. Okay, pro 5. Okay, inside profile I will just add the application name here, guys. Okay, what is our set, guys? Like test app. Okay, this is our own application name. Okay, now next, what is that, guys? Now next is next I'll same times I will do the template setup, guys. Okay, same times I will do template setup. Template dir is equal to base dir slash templates. Okay, then I will do, okay, I will not add the static data, right? Just I will work with templates only. Okay, now I will add this one below. Okay, till now is done. Now here next, what is that, guys? Here then I will create okay, this is fine. Now I will create here one function, guys. Okay, then I want to, let's assume we want employee registration, guys. Okay, let's class models, sorry, employee registration. Okay, models. Okay, now like see emp id models dot cad fill. Okay, then max length, I want max length as a 10. Okay, then I want employee id should be unique, guys. Okay, unique means in your this whole table there will be like unique employee id, there should be no duplicate. So I will maintain here unique is equal to true. Once we define this one, means for this column this id should be unique, guys. Okay, employee id. Okay, then I want first name models dot char fill. Okay, max length, let's assume like 50. Okay, then middle name models dot char fill, max length is equal to like say 15. Okay, see by default, guys, by default all the column is mandatory, guys. Okay, so I will put as the optional. Okay, so null is equal to true comma blank equal to true. Okay, guys, null is equal to true means, guys, null is equal to true means This is the database related, guys. Okay, means in database you are telling I want to allow the null value also. Okay, means without entering any value. Okay, blank is equal to true means from front end level, guys. Okay, means from HTML page we want this field as the optional. Okay, guys. Now I want one more thing, guys. Okay, now last name. Okay, models dot cad fields max length. Let's assume I want max length as equal to like maybe 30, right? Okay, now null is equal to false comma blank is equal to false. This is the default behavior, guys. Okay, if you will not add this line, that means is by default this behavior only, guys. Understand, this is the default behavior for this. Means this code and this code both are same, guys. Okay, this field is also mandatory, this field is also mandatory. Okay, so default behavior, understand, guys. Okay, now I want email. Email is equal to models dot email field. Guys, email is also like mandatory, and also email is like unique field only, so unique is equal to true. Okay, guys, now let's add the mandatory, let's add the optional, guys. Okay, like null is equal to false, null is equal to true comma blank is equal to false. Null is equal to true, guys, means database level is this is a optional field, but Django forms level this is the mandatory field, guys. Okay, now let's add the phone number. Phone number is equal to models dot like add cad field only, guys. Okay, no worries left. Max length is equal to,
Sir, forms phone numbers integer field na.
yes, we can do integer. Okay, let's add the integer for you, no problem. There is some also twist, guys, that's why I was telling you. Okay, integer fields. Okay, now let's add here like this field I wanted to make as the mandatory from database level, in forms levels I want to make optional. Okay, so let's assume phone number is also unique, guys. Okay, unique, like each employee should has different phone number. Okay, unique is equal to true and null is equal to false. Okay, then blank is equal to true. Null is equal to false means, guys, this column is the optional at database level. Okay, but this is mandatory from forms level. Okay, remember this one, guys. Okay, what I am telling you. Okay, now I want also address fields, guys. Okay, address models dot text field, guys. Okay, text field. Okay, let's assume this is off put as the mandatory. Okay, guys. Okay, mandatory means blank is equal to false, null is equal to false comma blank is equal to false. Okay, means mandatory only. Okay, both are the mandatory. Okay, now don't get confused, guys. Okay, just I am defining the forms like models. Then next I want like date of birth. Okay, DOB. Okay, models dot date fields, guys. Okay, by default is the mandatory only, guys. Okay, this line and this one and this one both are same, guys. Okay, this is a default behavior. Okay, if you don't add this one means this is a mandatory. If you add this one false means both are false means this is mandatory only. So default nature is this one only, guys. Understand, guys? Now I want DOG, date of joining. Okay, DOG, date of joining. Okay, now what details we need, guys? Maybe we need the Aadhaar number, like document number. Let's see ID number. Hmm, document ID. Okay, CAD field. Document should be always, all documents should be what, guys? Unique ID. Okay, for each employee. Let's say the Aadhaar number, guys. Okay, Aadhaar number. Okay, max length. What is the length, guys, for Aadhaar number, guys? is like 16, right? Okay, unique is equal to true. Okay, now next what we need, guys? These are the fields we need, right? Now maybe we can add here, like also. Okay, we will go with these forms, guys. Okay, for employee registration, guys, we are asking this all the details, right? Like employee ID, first name, last name, others. Also we can ask the father name also. Don't ask father name, guys. Okay, now after doing this one, guys, what I will do immediately, guys, we have to do make migration and migrate command. Okay, python manage.py run. So there is some issue, guys. Okay, let's see what is that issue, guys. Blank models.py file, line number 9. Okay, see the line number 9. What is the error, guys? Okay, line number 9. A spelling mistake, guys. Okay, not blank, blank. Okay, guys, let's run this one. Okay, server is running or not? Let's see. Server is running, guys. Okay, what I will do here now, python manage.py make migration. Okay, once I run this command, guys, migration file will be created, guys. See here, this table, can you see? Wait, there is some mistake, guys. Spelling with python manage.py make migration. Okay, guys, can you see here, guys? Now has created. Now I will add migrate, guys. Okay, python manage.py migrate. Once I hit this button, guys, once I press the enter button in this table, in this database, the record will be created. There is no any record right now, guys. Okay, there is no any tables here. Let's run this button. Migrate, migrate now. Okay, now this is done here. Now this is done. Now we can see here some default tables will become that. Don't worry, this is your table, your app name, then your table's name, employee registration. Can you see here, guys? Understand now? Okay, this one. Now what I will do here, guys, now I will create the forms for this. Okay, guys, now I will create the forms for this, guys. Okay, so I will create one forms.py file, forms.py file. Okay, so what is that, guys? From Django import forms. Okay, from Django import forms class. What I want, guys, which form, guys? I want employee registration form. Okay, now forms dot model forms, guys. Okay, forms dot model form. I want to work with model forms, guys. Okay, now here class meta models is equal to, I want models name, guys. What is the models name, guys? Forms, right? This is the forms here. Okay, not form. Models name is like, what is that our side? Models name like uh, what is the, guys? Like employee registration. Okay, so employee registration. Understand, guys? Now I have to import this one. Okay, from uh, test app dot models import this one. Understand, guys? Now here fields is equal to all. This means, guys, now our forms is ready, guys. Okay, now see, in the last session, guys, we are defining the forms one by one. Did you remember it, guys? Here one by one all the fields name we are defining. Okay, but I am just using the all the fields name whatever we have here, so no need to define. Okay, guys, we don't have to define, just this line is enough, guys. Okay, this is your model's name, this is like syntax. Understand, guys? Don't worry about the meta class, I will explain you later. Okay, that forms is done now. Now forms has done. So what I will do, guys, now I will create the view function here. Okay, class, sorry, function based view, right? The employee registration. Okay, request. Okay, now next what I will do guys here, mm, if request dot method equal to get. Okay, just for your understanding purpose guys. Okay, request. Okay, then what I will do here guys, right now let's see what is that template name I want here, test app slash like employee registration. Okay, dot html. Okay, dot html. Okay, then I wanted to render this one. Okay, then context I want empty. Okay, now return render return render. Okay, what is that? Render is template name is, sorry, first is the request parameter, right? Request template name, then next is context. Okay, just I am passing these things. Okay, now what I need guys, I need one HTML file here, right? Test app, then import registration. Okay, so I will create one templates here, guys. Okay, templates we don't have here. Okay, so I will just commit here. Sorry, open the console, mkdir templates, done. Cd mkdir template slash test app. Okay, what is that? No cd, just mkdir. Okay, that's done. Okay, what I have done it here, guys. Python manage.py run server. Okay, what I have done, I have just create one folder templates inside the test app. Inside I will create one file. Okay, dot html. Okay, now next guys, now next what I will do here, I will go to bootstrap, get bootstrap 4.6. I don't want bootstrap, just I wanted to just see. Let's copy these things guys. Okay, just template. Okay, employee registration, just change it here guys. Employee registration. Okay, register new. Okay, this is the form. So what I'm going to do here. Okay, okay, this is just a page, HTML page. What I will do here. Now next what I need guys, I have done created the HTML page. This context I have defined, then I have rendered it. Now I will create the urls.py file and then I will link it here. Okay, so commit here urls.py file. Okay, what I will do, from test app import views url pattern path, then employee registration slash, what I will do here guys, like views dot employee registration comma name is equal to employee registration. Okay, now for this, from we have to import this path, right? Where is that available? From Django import path. Understand guys, till now it's done. Okay, till now this is done, no any problem here. Now next what I will do here guys, I will configure project level url to app level urls. Okay guys, so I will come it here. What I will do here guys, path. The next what is that here guys, here is like emp. Okay, just emp slice. Okay, include, then what is that name guys, hope you guys remember these things guys. Okay, yes, test app.urls. Okay, include, just import the include here guys. Okay, okay, till now let's see server is running or not. Just reload it. Our server is running guys correctly. Oh, that is some issue guys. What is that? From Django import path. Sorry guys, from Django import path, from Django dot urls guys. Okay, urls. Okay guys, sorry, I did one mistake here. Okay, so now let's see. Now server is running guys. Okay, let's come and reload it here. Come and reload emp.
Sir,
We have
one
to
more
match the.
thing missing, sir. Templates.
Okay, let me. Templates already we done, right?
In settings, sir. In settings.py.
Already we done. Let me check that. See, it's working, right? Template configuration already we have done starting only. Starting itself. Can you see it here? When I came to register the application, that times only I have done this configuration.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Now here is coming now here now. Okay. Now I don't want to focus on the HTML guys. Just let's see now. I want to know what is my requirement guys. Once I come, there one forms will open, right? So already we have the forms also. So what I will do, form is equal to, what is our form name guys? Our form name is, what is our form's name guys? Our form's name is employee registration form. So just I will import it here. Okay, I will just use it here. Just create object and then pass into the context here. Okay, as the form. Okay, now next is, let's here import this one, form test app dot forms import this form. What is that guys? Employee registration form. Okay, hope till now you have understood now. Okay, now I will pass this form into the HTML. Okay, I will take this one, then I will pass to the HTML. Okay, commit here. Now here is our employee.html. Okay, this is form. So for what I will do here guys, I will create the forms here. Okay, form. Now I will do method is equal to, okay, post. Okay, then I will just add it here guys. Okay, forms. Okay, now come and reload it here. Did you understand guys till now? Whatever is coming, all the data is coming here. Even in the forms that we apply, we don't write anything guys. Okay, now dot as underscore p. Okay, hope you have understood now. Understood guys till now here? What is my requirement here guys? I did not write anything inside the forms.py file. I did not define even single fields also. Understand here? Because of this line, all the fields is coming from this employee registration table. Understand guys? We have the how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fields is there guys. 10 column is there. All the column is displaying here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understand guys? This is called model based forms guys. Okay, this is called models based forms. What we are working now. One more twist guys. Okay, see here. Now let's define now post method guys. Okay, here elif request dot method is equal to post. Okay, now I want form is equal to, what is the way to receive the data from the Django front end guys? From the front end, like forms. Okay, forms comma request dot post. Okay, understand guys? Request dot post. Okay, all data coming now. Next, what is that guys? Forms, if forms dot is underscore valid. Okay, if you guys remember guys. Okay, now here this is This is to validate the form. Now right here. Now here write code to save the data into database. Okay, guys. Means corresponding tables. Okay. So what is the code, guys? Here I will discuss this code. Okay. Now here. Okay. Else I will just copy this line here, guys. Okay. Already you know, right? These things. Okay. Else if forms has any error, then I will just pass this form into the front end. Okay, guys. Let's see. Understand till now? Till now, did you guys understand what I did? This is once they click on submit button. Okay, so we have to define here one submit button here also. Okay, guys, we have to define one submit button here. Okay, so what I will do here, guys, come into the HTML page. First try, guys, come here one button button guys. Okay, button. Okay, now submit. Okay, du double t button. Okay, now type is equal to submit. Okay, let's see here one button is coming. Okay, I want to add one style, guys. What I will do, guys, here I will just add class is equal to btn primary. Okay, then it will add one button color. Okay, guys, understand? Now if you want to put these things into put into the one container, okay, just put into container. Okay, div okay class container. Okay, see here some space will come here. Okay, in center. Okay, till now you have understood, right, whatever I have explained. Now if you click here, it will send. If you ask something, employee id something, put here. Okay, like put 101 name. What is that, guys? Okay, name ready. Okay, see here this forms is like not asking something else. Okay, see optional, this field is like optional now. Understand, guys? Now here something I will put there Mohan. Okay, now Mohan dot ready at gmail.com. Phone numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 5. Okay, na date of birth something I will add it here. Okay, something. Okay, now let's see here. Okay, already I have told you, guys, we have to submit with this data in the post method. We have to write these fields. Okay, CSRF token. Okay, so commit here, add one more things here, guys, called CSRF token. Okay, understand, guys? Now go and reload it here. So they go and back and just send data. Okay, just what we'll do, just reload again, add some data again here. Okay, okay, add gmail.com, just add something here. Okay, okay, now submit the data, guys. Okay, can you see here, guys? Invalid date fields. Invalid date fields. Did you understand, guys? Why this error is coming? This error is coming because of this line only, guys. Because of forms dot is valid. Okay, since this is the date field, right, we are passing the number. That's why this error is coming, guys. Okay, so let's pass the date field. Okay, so 12 okay, this is the date format, guys. Okay, year month date. Okay, so just I will add this format. Okay, now again I am passing here the some data, guys. So this time this field has no any error. Okay, let's see only this error. Okay, say pass here also. Okay, now submit it here. Okay, now I have submit the data, guys. Okay, but guys, what is happening here? Can you see? This is forms is valid, but I don't have any code here, and this block is not returning anything. That is the reason, guys. Okay, That is the reason this is the rising the error, guys. Okay, that is the reason of this error. Okay, so what I will do here, I wanted to how to receive data from the forms, guys. Okay, how we can receive the data from forms. Did you understand, guys? Do you know? Do you have any idea, guys? Already I have explained you, right? Like empid, okay, form dot clean data. Remember it, guys. Clean data of what is the table name, fields name, guys? Like empid, right? So forms dot here empid. Did you understand, guys? Forms dot empid. This within first name, last name. Okay. This way you can receive the data, guys. Okay. Okay. Let me. I don't want to going to write the code again, guys. Okay. Already I have explained you in the last session. So let's open the fourth project, guys. Okay. Test tab here. What was the way to save the data, guys? Okay. See here. For saving the data forms that we this way we are receiving the data, guys. Okay. Then we are receiving, then we are adding this way. This is the way to save the data, guys. Okay, but in Django model based forms, guys, we don't have to do all those things. Okay, in Django model based forms we don't have to do this all those things. Okay, all these things. Okay, instead of this one directly we can write here one thing, just remove these things, guys. Okay, I don't want these things. Okay, just I was just explaining you, guys. Okay, so simply we'll do here forms dot save. Understand, guys? Now data will be saved. Okay, this is the line to save the data, guys. Okay, in model based forms. Okay, else we have to do write these things the logic. This way we have to get, okay, this way we have to get the data, then we have to create the object, then we have to do object dot save. Understand, guys? Just a minute, guys. Okay, so this way we have to do, guys. Okay, this way else. So now hope you have understood this one. So hope you have understood this line, guys. Okay, forms directly forms.save, guys. Okay, now data will save into database. Now let's see, guys. In your tables, there's no any data, guys, in the employee table side. Now let's see here. Come and let's save the data. Okay, data will be saving, guys. Let's see what is this error, guys. Okay, we'll see here. Non-constant failed registration phone number. Okay. Okay, let's see employee phone numbers. Okay, we are not passing data. That's the reason. Okay, let's see here. Okay, forms.save. Submit data. Data will be saved, guys. Okay, forget about this error, guys. Okay, already I have explained you what why this error is coming, guys. Okay, this error is coming because of this block is still not see. Can you see the data, guys? The data has saved into the data, guys. No any problem here. Hope you have understand, guys. So this error is coming. Okay, this error is coming because this is not returning. So return here. Return redirect to which page, guys? To the same page. Okay, employee registration page. Okay, close this back, then also close this one, come it here. Okay, now return. Okay, let's import this one here. Okay, render comma redirect. Okay, guys, understand till now? Now let's come it, go back here again. You can save it. Can you see here? Now some issue is coming, guys. Employee registration, employee ID is already exists. Did you understand, guys? Because this is the unique record. Okay, employee ID. Let's add something extra things. Okay, here. Okay, now let's add it here. Some different things. Okay, now save. Can you see, guys? Now come into the your code here, and you can able to see to record. Did you understand, guys? Till now, what I have just explained you, guys. This thing. So this is the way to save the data, guys. Okay, this is the way for model based forms, guys. Okay, remaining things is the same, guys. Okay, remaining things to display the data, to update the data, this will be same. For updating also, guys, you can, if you will work with model based forms, easily you can do the update operation also. So guys, you can practice till now. These things we have to practice, guys. Okay, for here, let me explain you some extra things here also. Okay, let me explain you here what you guys have to do here. Mm, this is the fine. Now if you want to design these forms, guys, that also you can do here. Okay, these things also you can do. Let me show you here. Okay, you can write here for loop, guys. Okay, here, right here, for loop. Already I have explained you guys how to write Jinja for loop, guys. Okay, for form in form, form in form. Okay, form in, okay, let's we change this variables, guys. Okay, so forms, forms. Okay, I don't want to change, else you guys will confuse. Okay, so here commit here for fm in form. Okay guys, understand? Now for loop open, then for loop close. Okay, end for. Okay, that's fine. Now what I will do, guys, here, you can define here fm dot label. Okay, then fm. Okay, let's see it here. Did you understand, guys? This way forms have changed now, shaping. Now if you want, if you know, like grid concept here, guys. Okay, in Django, sorry, in Bootstrap, grid concept. Let me explain you about the grid. Mm, okay, okay, grid. Okay, there is some concept about grid, guys. Your this screen will divide into the 12 column, guys. Okay, 12 column, like maximum column number of 12. Okay, so I will just use the grid concept here. Okay, so what I will do here, guys. Mm, div, okay, slash div class row. Okay, then I will define the class call. Then put this one here, this block. Okay, now what I will do here, div, okay, class call lg is equal to call md is equal to 3, call sm is equal to 6, call is equal to 12. Something I put here, guys. Okay, I will put this one inside. Now it's coming this way. Where is that? This way. Let's reload. If you guys can see some, okay, what is that here? Okay, oh, I think this is the fine. Okay, guys, wait a minute. Okay, that here call some. Let's see. We inspect what is the problem here, guys. Nothing call. Okay, main problem is, guys, this is label is not adding. Okay, so you have to add the label here. Okay, so label star label and not table guys, label, right? Label from L. Okay, wait a minute guys, let's see df df df. Let's add the style border 2 pixel solid red. Okay, just to debug it again. Okay, border border style border 2 pixel solid and red. Style border 2 pixel solid and red. What is the problem here guys? SOLID. Okay, sorry guys, spelling mistake. Okay, so this is like border is coming. Okay, so what I will do here, just add 4. Now just I will just remove this one guys. Okay, it was just overlapping guys. Okay, oh sorry, what is that? It was just overlapping. So what I will do here guys, just I will reload it here. Did you understand guys? Some kind of sequence you are saying like in arrangement format guys. Okay, so what I will do here now, let's add the BR tag, remove the BR tag. Okay, okay, so if you want below, just add BR. Okay, so we can see this way guys, you can just rearrange your forms. Okay, I have just explained you how you can work with the with for loop. Okay guys. Okay, so for loop also you can do this one. Okay, here now if you want here class btn block btn lg. Okay, let's see. I don't know what is it here, btn lg. Okay, just no worry about this one guys. Okay, so this way sometimes you can design your forms guys. Okay, this is the way you can design your forms also. uh, so you don't have to worry about anything guys. Okay, else you can use the also bootstrap forms only, like also you can use Django bootstrap. Okay, next session I will teach you, later session guys, how you can use a Django bootstrap. Okay, now let me save the data here guys. Okay, employee id one not something, employee name Raj. Okay, kr Raj kr at gmail.com. Okay, then phone number something. Okay, then address new Delhi. Okay, then date of birth. Okay guys, again date of joining 25 29. Okay, then Aadhaar number. Okay guys, let's save the data. Now see, this record has been saved into database guys. Okay, if you can come and see here, did you understand guys? This record guys. Okay, record number 3 completely. So this is the way guys, model based form. In this way here, we did not write again same thing in the last session guys. We are writing the forms again like same fields we are repeating here, and you are adding it here again. Then for this here what we are doing, just we are adding